Introducing FEND SUPER, the world's first ultra-compact high-vis bike helmet. Designed for convenience, safety, and affordability. We created what we believe is the perfect helmet, made for every rider, every journey, and every situation. FEND SUPER is designed to fit your lifestyle. Our patented lock system allows the helmet to fold down by 50% in size, and is perfectly shaped to fit in the top portion of your bag for easy access. If you're a night rider, the ultra-bright lights provide 360-degree visibility, allowing you to be seen by motorists from all angles. They're waterproof, so you can ride rain or shine. FEND SUPER includes 12 vents that keep you extra cool, especially on those hot days. The integrated fit adjuster provides the perfect fit. FEND SUPER is designed to be safety certified for bikes, scooters, and skateboards. We're a team of designers and creators passionate about creating innovation to make a difference.